Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and combine my 8-frame single deep and this blue hive, because this hive is super weak. I don't see them surviving winter, so I'm gonna put them all together and hopefully that way they have a better chance. Alright, let me just give them a little smoke. I was doing things in here so they're a little bit upset. There we go, they're a little bit more calm. All I'm gonna do is put some paper towel right on top. Like that. I've done it before, it works fine. Newspaper works as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that right over. So basically what we're doing here is gonna give them a few days to chew through this to combine together. The queen is out of here, she's not in this one anymore. So let's just go ahead and push that down a little bit. Now I'm gonna put this on top, just an empty box. That's all that is. And I am going to if I didn't get stung, I'm going to put the frames out of the 8-frame into this one. Just make sure, there we go. It's nice and closed here. Alright, now that that's set up, what we're gonna do is take frames out of my 8-frame box and basically just put them right here on top. I have mixed frames in here. Haven't had excuse me, didn't have frames when I set this up, so I have super or medium frames and deep frames all in this box, which makes no difference really. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, put frame by frame in this box and leave them for a few days to basically get to know each other. So, all right, look at this. I messed up the comb on this side, but I'm gonna look to see if I can find the queen as well. So this 8-frame has a lot more resources, which is gonna help them here, since this one does not. Wow, they have, look at that comb. They added that to the bottom of medium frame. They've been like this all summer, haven't really checked on them much. But they are really expanded. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't want to mess that up now. They worked hard to make that. However, I do want to look for the queen. This queen is not marked, so it might be a little bit before I can spot her. Some more comb at the bottom. Yeah, come on. I expected them to build that because I left these. That's beautiful though. I'm just looking to see if I can see the queen. This is full of honey, packed, mostly capped off. Same thing on this side. Don't see the queen anywhere. All right, let's go to the next one. This is a deep frame. Like I said, they're mixed medium and deep frames in there. They're definitely not happy. I don't know if you see them, but that's kind of crazy. There's actually eggs in this one. So queen is somewhere here. So that's why I wanted to keep this queen. The other queen wasn't doing too well. They even have some drone brood. Yeah, I'm doing an inspection as I go as well. Might as well just take a look and see what we got going on. This is all full of honey, capped off honey, some brood, so this is actually way better than the blue hive was doing. So hopefully they get along fine. Ay, 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 they're getting crazy. Let me get some of this smoke, because yeah, definitely need smoke. That's another heavy frame. The only thing with this combining stuff is you want to make sure. Oh wow, look at that. Didn't see that at all. Didn't see that coming. It's super sticky. Look at that brood frame. That's exactly why I want to keep this queen and get rid of the other one, because I can only keep one, so you have to kind of make a choice. All part of beekeeping, my friends. Wow, another brood frame on this side. I hope I didn't lose the queen during this process. Yup, so that's more bees. That's what we want to see. Like I said, I was combining them because they weren't doing too well in a blue hive. So, man, I can't see that queen anywhere. I guess I should have marked her when it was easier, less bees, but yep, I just saw her. There she is. That's amazing. This is full of nectar. Beautiful. I'll just leave this in. Just saw the queen on here. Man, it's sticky. Alright, we're gonna dump the rest of the bees that are left in a box in here. Give them a few days and let them settle in. And that's pretty much it.